Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a really common and frankly annoying problem. That clicking noise you hear when you step on the gas. Is it your axle or is it something more serious, like your transmission? It's a sound that can make any driver nervous. But don't worry, we're going to break it down, step by step, so you can figure out what's going on with your ride. Let's get those wrenches ready and dive right in. First things first. Let's talk about the most frequent culprit. The CV axle. CV stands for constant velocity, and these axles are what transfer power from your transmission to your wheels, allowing them to turn at a, you guessed it, constant velocity, even when you're turning the steering wheel. Inside the CV axle are joints, covered by a rubber boot. Over time, these boots can tear. When that happens, the grease that lubricates the joint escapes, and dirt and water get in. This is bad news for the joint. So, how do you know if it's a CV axle? Think about pulling out of a parking spot or making a sharp turn at an intersection. A good way to test this is to find a safe, empty parking lot. Turn your steering wheel all the way to one side and drive in a slow circle. Then, do the same in the other direction. Now, let's move on to the more intimidating possibility. The transmission. Transmission problems can also cause clicking noises, but they usually sound and feel different. A transmission-related click is often more of a metallic clunk or a single, hard click when you shift gears, especially when you shift from park to drive or reverse. You might also feel a jolt through the entire car when this happens. Unlike a CV axle, a transmission issue isn't typically worse when turning. It is more related to the act of shifting gears or the initial engagement when you start to accelerate from a stop. Other signs of transmission trouble include slipping gears, delayed engagement, whining or humming sounds, and of course leaking red or brown transmission fluid. If your clicking is paired with any of these symptoms, your transmission definitely needs a closer look from a professional. So, to recap the diagnosis, is the clicking rhythmic and most obvious when turning and accelerating? That points strongly to a bad CV axle. Is it more of a clunk when shifting gears or taking off in a straight line, possibly with other shifting problems? That could be your transmission, or even a worn motor or transmission mount. Bad mounts can cause a clunking sound as the engine and transmission shift under load. Another less common cause could be your differential, which can also make clicking or clunking noises if the gears are worn. But that's a topic for another day. For most front-wheel drive cars, the CV axle is by far the #1 cause of clicking during acceleration. The good news is that replacing a CV axle is a pretty standard and relatively affordable repair. It's something many dyers can even tackle in their own garage with the right tools. A transmission issue, on the other hand, is usually a more complex and expensive fix. That's why it's so important to get the diagnosis right. If you're not comfortable getting under the car yourself, don't hesitate to take it to a trusted mechanic. Tell them exactly what you're hearing and when you hear it. The more specific you are, the faster they can pinpoint the problem. Remember, ignoring a clicking CV axle can eventually lead to it failing completely, which could leave you stranded. So, listen to your car, do these simple checks, and get it fixed. That's all for today. I hope this helps you demystify that clicking sound and gives you the confidence to figure out what's next. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with this issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.